When we see criminal movie, detective identify DNA from fingerprint or drop of blood. Some scientists believe with DNA left over from animal extincts millions years ago, they can recreate them, and that's crazy idea. But how these biomolecules it remained untouched for millions of years? How we can reach to this molecule? Before I start extraction process, I want to show you my extraction sample from 3 tomatoes. As you can see, the white part at top of glass is DNA precipitate. My left sample, it seems strange and that color is different, but it's for a reason I didn't understood before, because tomatoes also have lycopene, and lycopene precipitate with DNA and non-soluble in alcohol. In last sample, we see red thing that DNA and lycopene. Anyway, we can't isolate DNA pure at home, and it's with some protein and RNA, but this is interesting experience. So, we will see extraction process from strawberry and not lycopene. We expect to see white fiber DNA. I hope you enjoy process extraction. Today we extract and isolate DNA from easy method, even you can do at home without lab. We extract DNA from strawberry, and you can also with apple or banana or chicken liver, but strawberry have little simple method. So supplies we need: 10 strawberries, 180 milliliter water, 200 milliliter 99% isopropyl alcohol, 200 milliliter unscented shampoo or dish soap, 1 teaspoon of salt. Before we get to start main process, isopropyl alcohol we will use later on. It need be cold, and we put isopropyl in freezer. The cold alcohol help the DNA precipitate more quickly. 2. Make soapy salt solution. To do this, we mix 180 milliliter of water and 20 milliliter dish soap and about a teaspoon of salt, and we make extraction solution that we will be using to get DNA out of the cells. We counted 10 regular strawberry and then shoved them all into a sealable bag. Then we squeeze them. This process causes damage in strawberry salt. Crushing is step really easy to do with strawberry, and it's major reason we chose them. It's common to extraction DNA from other things like chicken liver or peas, but they don't fall apart nearly as easily, and you often need to use blender. After a few minutes, a strawberry is broken up. It's time to add soapy extraction solution. Then mix it around and try to break your pieces may you have missed. This most important part, extraction, which is getting DNA out of the cells. Deep in mechanism. To extraction DNA from plant cells like strawberry, we must destroy 3 layers to spread DNA out from cell and be able to see naked DNA. 1. Cell wall. 2. Cell membrane. 3. Nuclease. 1. Cell wall. Cell wall in plant cell is sugar polymer called cellulose. To destroy this layer, we squeeze a strawberry and cell wall damage, and you see cell contain spread out. 2. Cell membrane. Phospholipid bilayer with protein and sugar annex. Phospholipid in cell membrane consists of 2 major parts. 1. Polar head is hydrophile site and nearly water. And 2. Non-polar tail is hydrophobic and they face the inside, away from water, and meet in the inner region of the membrane. If phospholipids are placed in water, they form into micelles, which are lipid molecules that arrange themselves in a spherical form called micelle. So to destroy this layer, we add dish soap to solve plasma membrane, and phospholipids become micelle and cell membrane be destroyed. DNA is polymer by phosphate, sugar and bases. DNA in chromosome condense and the protein with positive charge link to phosphate or negative side of DNA and help to condensing and more stability. To isolate DNA from protein, we add salt or sodium chloride. Sodium ion can come in and displace a lot of this protein.